What's up, everybody? This is my Stanley Fatmax retractable utility knife. I've had this thing for 20 years, maybe more. You can see all the scratches and how the paint's about wore off everywhere, back down to bare metal. So, I don't know what happened, but somehow the slider broke. I mean, like I said, 20 plus years. I go for this thing over any other knife in my bucket. So there's the model number. And I thought to myself, you know what? I think these Stanley Fatmaxes are a lifetime warranty. So I'm going to call them up and see, will they give me a new one? Do they still make this model? The 10777. Well, I called them, and what they told me was, unfortunately, the model is discontinued, which makes me sad because I love how easy it is to open. I can do it with one hand. The blades go back in here. I mean, I've literally beat on this thing with a framing hammer. I mean, you can see the marks up here. You know, sometimes you're cutting metal or whatever, and that's just the way it goes because it seems to be the easiest route. Anyhow, yeah, completely demolished plenty of other utility knives. This thing has lasted me 20 plus years. So, let's see. I called them up. They said, what they're going to do is they're going to send me a replacement of the best compatible model they can find. Look at that, one-handed. I mean, it's so user-friendly and durable. I really want this same one. I hope they have one that's just as good. But what they did was they asked me to send them a picture of it, so I sent them 3 pictures of it, and it was really easy to deal with them. But yeah, sent them 3 pictures, and the guy's like, okay, we're gonna send you a new knife. First thing I'm gonna do is find a compatible one and email you to make sure that that's okay with you, and if it's not, I'll try to find a more compatible one. Like, wow. Anyway, I will update you when I have more information, and hopefully a brand new Stanley Fatmax retractable utility knife. Can't wait. Let me know in the comments, do you have a favorite knife? Is this one your favorite knife? Have you ever had one replaced from the lifetime warranty? I kind of forgot about it. It's been so long I've had the thing. Yeah, let me know. See you next time.